Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply for a UK visit visa from Canada in 2025. Let's dive right into it. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is visit the UK government's official visa and immigration website. Here, you'll select the visa type that best matches your situation, whether you're applying for a tourist visa, work visa, or student visa. Once you've selected the appropriate visa category, the next step is to fill out the application form online. Make sure to provide accurate and complete details, as this is crucial for the approval process. After submitting the form, you'll need to pay the visa application fee. The fee typically ranges from $100 to $400 CALers, depending on the type of visa you're applying for. Next, you'll need to gather a few documents, including a valid passport, proof of funds to support your stay, and any documents that demonstrate the purpose of your visit. For example, if you're applying for a work visa, you'll need to include a job offer letter from your employer. Once your application and supporting documents are ready, you'll need to schedule an appointment at the Visa Application Center, VAC, in Canada. During your appointment, you'll provide your biometric data and submit your documents. The consular officer may also ask you additional questions about your travel plans, so be prepared. After your application is submitted and processed, you'll be notified about how and when you can collect your visa. And that's how you apply for a UK visit visa from Canada. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful travel tips.